Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change Canva website domain URL. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just go on your Canva app. Alright, now go on the left side, click on projects, and here go click on this category drop down and type website. Okay, now click on website. In my case, it is not showing because I've recently published a website. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my website. Alright, now go on top right corner, click on share, and here you will see this option website live. Just click on it. Now click on this edit icon right over here, and from here you can change your website name. So I'm going to give it my channel name, guide grid. Okay, now click on pub. Okay, so I have given this name to my other design, that's why it is showing it is not available. So I'm going to go and add a new text. Now click on publish changes, wait for a few moments, and as you can see, the changes are live. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.